Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Shepalle and I'm a trademark attorney. I help entrepreneurs legally protect their brands, business, and creative content. And in this video, I'm going to give you guys 5 things that you should consider before filing your trademark application. So let's get into it. Number 1 is, does the trademark support your long-term goals? So is it broad enough to accommodate for any type of changes or expansions that you may make within your business? So let me give you guys an example to help you understand it. Let's say, for example, you have an eyelash company and right now you're selling eyelashes and all products that has to do with eyelashes, and then you also have a service where you are applying individual eyelashes to your clients. So that is your business, everything that has to do with eyelashes, and you name it Pretty Lady Eyelashes. So you want to you're trademarking in the classifications for eyelashes and eyelash services. Then let's say in about 6 months to a year, you decide, now I want to sell clothing. Well, your trademark is Pretty Lady Eyelashes, and now you want to sell clothing. So Pretty Lady Eyelashes doesn't really make sense with clothing. So the better thing for you to do is, instead of trademarking Pretty Lady Eyelashes, to just trademark Pretty Lady. That way it's broad enough to accommodate you if you decide later that you want to start selling clothing or purses or something else, right? You're still broad enough to be able to use Pretty Lady for all of those different things. Whereas you just do Pretty Lady Eyelashes, it's just not broad enough for that. And you'll probably have to file another application and things like that. So that is the first thing you want to think of. Number 2 is, you want to ask yourself if this is too similar to a business name that is already taken. Now, I've already discussed this in one of my other videos, but I'll bring it up again in this video. When you file a trademark application, you can and will be denied if your trademark is too similar to another business's trademark that is offering a same or similar product or service as you. So in order to find out if your brand name is too similar to a similar business, you want to first do a search. So search on the uspto.gov, and you want to add different variations of your name. Spell it different ways, add different words to it, whatever you can think of that someone may use. That will help you see if there's anything similar out there to your brand name. Now, the USPTO website gives you exact results only, so whatever you type in is exactly what will pop up. This means that your search won't be accurate, but at least you'll have some type of starting point. Another thing that you can do is Google the name and similar variations of the name as well. Once again, that will give you a good starting point. Now, if you have it in your funds, in your budget, I should say, then I would highly recommend you reaching out to an attorney who can do a full search for you, and let you know exactly what's out there, the risk of your mark, if it's likely to be rejected, or if you might have a good chance at using it and things like that. And that is a service that I offer. So I'll make sure to put my website in the description box if you guys want to connect with me to get that service. Anyways, that was definitely a shameless plug. Okay, back on task. Number 3 is, you want to ask yourself, are the domain names and social media handles available? This is very, very important because this is how people will find you on the internet. Don't go in there and start adding underscores and dots and things like that to try and make the name available. If the name is not available, just simply in plain with no underscores or anything like that, then you might want to consider changing your name, because you just want to make it easy for your clients to find you, or your customers to find you, because they will find you on social media. And even potential clients that don't know you, they're going to find you there, right? So you just want it to be very simple and very easy. Now, there is a way that an attorney can help you recover the attorney don't have to help you, but somewhere you can recover a name on social media once you get the trademark. But it's kind of, sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. But after getting the trademark, you may be able to recover the name. So that is something to think about. But for the most part, you want to check to see if domain names, social media handles are available. If they're available, you should be good to go. If not, you might want to consider changing the name. The fourth thing that you want to think about is whether you want to file your trademark before you actually launch your business. So if you file your trademark before you launch your business, you're going to be filing an intent to use application. The intent to use application is basically you telling the USPTO, I'm not using my trademark in commerce yet, but I intend to do it in the future. Now, this is a really good route to take to make sure that no one else steals your name while you're in the process of getting your manufacturers to create your product or getting your packaging and your labeling and things like that. It's really nice to be able to at least start the process, make sure you get it on file so that no one else can come and steal the name from you. So that is something that you also want to consider when you want to file your trademark, whether you want to file it before you launch or after you launch. I would suggest filing it before you launch, just so that you can save the name and so that an attorney can do the full search for you, so that you can know if it's even a name that's worth investing in. And number 5 is you want to ask yourself, is your trademark distinctive? Your trademark should be able to distinguish the products or services of your business from those of anyone else's. It needs to be very unique, very distinctive, so that no one gets confused as to where that product came from, if it came from company A or company B. You need your clients and your customers to know, hey, that came from my girl, Shep the lawyer, okay? And those are all of my tips or things that you should consider before filing your trademark application. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And let me know what you guys think about this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.